Hey everyone. Today I want to take you on a cosmic journey to unveil the mystery of a peculiar galaxy recently discovered by the James Webb Space Telescope. Meet GS-NDG 9422, a galaxy that's got astronomers scratching their heads and space enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. So, what's so unusual about GS-NDG 9422? Well, for starters, it's not your typical spiral or elliptical galaxy. This one has a unique structure that defies conventional classifications. Picture this: a swirling mix of stars, gas, and dust, forming shapes and patterns we've never seen before. It's like a cosmic dance happening light years away. Now let's talk about how the James Webb Space Telescope stumbled upon this galactic oddball. Launched in December 2021, the JWST has been revolutionizing our understanding of the universe with its incredible infrared capabilities. While peering into a distant corner of space, the telescope captured stunning images of GS-NDG 9422, revealing its bizarre and intricate details. But what makes GS-NDG 9422 truly fascinating is its age. Astronomers estimate that this galaxy formed roughly 13 billion years ago, which means it's one of the oldest galaxies we've ever discovered. Imagine that. We're looking at a piece of the universe's history, frozen in time. One of the most intriguing questions is how GS-NDG 9422 managed to survive and evolve over billions of years. Typically, older galaxies show signs of wear and tear, but this one seems to have retained its youthful appearance. Some scientists believe that it may have merged with other galaxies, absorbing fresh material and renewing its structure. Others think it could have been in a relatively isolated part of the universe, shielded from cosmic collisions. Whatever the case may be, GS-NDG 9422 is teaching us valuable lessons about galaxy formation and evolution. It's like a puzzle that astronomers are eager to solve, piece by piece. And thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we're getting closer to understanding the intricate web of our cosmos. But the story doesn't end here. The discovery of GS-NDG 9422 has opened up new avenues for research and exploration. Scientists are now planning follow-up observations to study its chemical composition, star formation rate, and much more. Who knows what other secrets this galaxy might hold? In the grand scheme of things, discoveries like GS-NDG 9422 remind us of how vast and mysterious our universe truly is. Every new finding is a step closer to uncovering the cosmic truths that bind us all. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that out there, in the depths of space, galaxies like GS-NDG 9422 are waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining me on this galactic adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic insights. Until next time, keep looking up.